How to fix WhatsApp invite problem. Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you the correct way and the easiest way how to fix this on WhatsApp, so just follow me in this video till the end. So let's start. So now and first you have to go and open the settings of your device, and after this what you should do, go directly to apps or applications. Here, as you can see, all the applications that you have on your phone, you will search only for WhatsApp. When you find WhatsApp, just open it like this, and then you have to scroll up the screen and open storage. On storage, now go to the last button, clear data. Then click OK. Also click on clear cache here, and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now what's next is to go into Play Store and update your WhatsApp if it's not updated, and after this you have to restart your phone. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.